my Glama beauties. How are you doing this morning? Today I am going to just make hopefully a really short video because a viewer in my crochet channel, Made with Love by Glama, one stitch at a time, a viewer of mine saw my I believe it was my second video on this channel, and she gave me a tip that I want to try. I'm excited to try it. I have no makeup on. This is me without completely no makeup. Kind of scary, huh? But anyway, the trick is that she says to put a light layer of powder on your face before putting foundation on, which makes a lot of sense when she explained it, because she said by doing so, a very light coat actually settles into your pores and into your fine lines. If you're close to my age, I'm sure you have fine lines. And then put your foundation over it. So that sounds like it would make sense, right? That it would just kind of go right over the powder, and the powder is settling into your pores and fine lines. So I'm excited to try it. And then she also says that it helps for your foundation to stay on longer as well. So, okay, here we go. I'm going to try it. First, I'm going to put, I went and bought some Olay BB cream in the color light to medium. And so I'm going to try some of this, and suppose it says it's skin perfecting tinted moisturizer with sunscreen, but it also, I've done some research, and I guess BB creams also over time it will eventually reduce the aging spots, or the dark circles under your eyes and stuff. So it's supposed to help brighten your skin and minimize any kind of dark spots that you have. So at least that's my understanding. So I used this yesterday. I got it yesterday, and so I'm gonna try it again. And I still haven't gone and gotten brushes, so but I'm just gonna apply it like I apply my moisturizer. And of course I'm gonna go upwards because you don't want to make your face go like that. You want to lift your face. My chin, maybe a little bit down here so that it all blends in. I don't know. And it's very light. It doesn't feel like you have anything on, so that's cool. Blend it into my hairline, into my ear area. And here too, I like to go upwards just because we don't need any help with gravity, do we? Our age is already giving us the gravity that we don't want. So I always go upwards on anything that I apply on my face. Alright, so it doesn't really do a whole lot for covering because it's so light, but it's a moisturizer and a sunscreen, sun protector, so there's that. Now let me find my powder. Here it is. So that's what I'm using. Let's see how this works. I do have a brush for this though. It's just an inexpensive brush that a friend of mine, she buys Clinique stuff, and this was a gift that was in her stuff and she doesn't use it, so she gave it to me. I'm just gonna pour some into the lid and see what happens. Okay, then I'm just gonna use it out of the lid. I'm just going to do a really quick makeup today because, and the reason I'm even putting makeup on is because I'm going to Office Depot here in a second. I don't want to scare anyone. Because I'm going to go get a calendar whiteboard to keep track of all my YouTube channels. Okay, so I barely had any on the brush, but okay, we'll see. We'll see how it works. Okay, so today I'm going to use the Rimmel Matte Finish in Soft Beige. And I'm not going to put too much on. I'm running out of this, which is good because I want to try something new. I'm ready for a change. Okay, so this is just going to be a light coverage. Just got some on my hair. Okay. So even with this, I like to go in an upward motion just because I don't want to help gravity out any more than it's naturally doing on its own. Okay, still not out of this stuff. As soon as I run out, I'm gonna try some new stuff. And what I'm learning is that you're supposed to put your foundation on like in a triangle, so I'm trying it. Anywhere that I guess you want your face brightened is what I'm reading. And this, I definitely need some there. And I definitely need some around my nose area because it gets discolored there. So let's see what happens. Gonna try the stippling. It just takes forever to blend. And I also hear that kind of going like this, rolling your fingers kind of is another technique that can be used. To me, that seems faster than the stippling. But right around my eyes, I want to be careful. Around my nose, I don't care. I'm just going to rub it in. You know, it does kind of seem to fill in the pores better. Awesome. And the girl that gave me this tip, her name is Jennifer. I won't say her channel name or anything because I don't know if she wants to be mentioned, but okay, I'm looking like a ghost about right now, aren't I? Oh, this is me when I was a senior. Pretty much still look the same. And I still wear the makeup the same as that. I don't know if you can see it. Yep, that's me at I was 17 because I graduated when I was 17, and I'm not showing my teeth because I had really crooked teeth. Actually, these two teeth right here used to stick out and these two used to be in. So basically my two teeth were like this and these two teeth were out, and I was so embarrassed of them, so I never smiled with my teeth showing. So I don't think I'm gonna put all my makeup on like I usually do, because like I said, I'm just going to do a light coverage just to hurry up and go to not look too scary. Put a tiny bit of eyebrow on. Alright, now I'm just going to use this color right here just to put a little bit under my brow line, just to kind of brighten up my face a little bit. Okay, now I'm just going to take this color right here and put it on my eyelid. Boy, the traffic's loud today. I think I put it heavier on this side. I like the lighter, so I like that side better. The lighter coverage. Take some of it off. Okay, now I'm just going to use the middle one just to put a little bit of contour on my right here, my crease. See if it helps. Okay, so you really can't see a whole lot, but I don't really want a whole lot, so I just mainly wanted to try the powder under the foundation little trick to see how it works for the whole day. See if it actually makes my foundation stay on longer. I definitely need brushes. These little sponge brushes that come with it really aren't any good. I think what I'm going to try, after I try the Eco Tools, I think what I'm going to try are either MAC brushes or BH Cosmetic brushes. I've been hearing a lot of good stuff about Sigma brushes as well. So we'll see. First I have to get used to using brushes, so I think that's why I'm going to get the more inexpensive Eco Tools at Walmart first. And I was given some tips. A couple of ladies in my crochet channel said that my eyes looked bigger and brighter when I didn't put the eyeliner down on the bottom. But I'll have to get used to that. I'll have to try it and get used to it. Okay, put a little bit of eyeliner on. I'm going to try to stay really close to the lashes. I don't want to look like I have too much makeup on. You know, another thing that I do sometimes sometimes I don't even do this. I don't even do the eyeliner. The tight line. This is the water line, the bottom part, and the top part is the tight line. And so what I do sometimes, I don't even do the eyeliner. Sometimes I'll just go in here and do the top part, and that in itself makes a big difference. Just gives your eyes a little bit of a pop. I know you probably can't see a difference, but like when I don't do the eyeliner, even this makes my eyes appear. Because when I don't have anything on, my eyes seem to disappear. And I know they said my eyes would look better without any in the waterline, but I'm not used to that yet. So I'm just going to put it up to the middle of my pupil there. I'll do baby steps. I'll do it to there, and then maybe gradually I won't do it at all. Oh, I did buy a different mascara. I bought L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, right there. So I tried it yesterday, and it's got these kind of bristles, and it kind of combs your eyelashes. It does seem to extend my eyelashes a little bit more, but I do notice that it kind of clumps more, and I don't like the clumpy look. Because that's when I feel like I have spider eyes. So I'm just going to put a teeny bit. I don't know if you can see it. The light is so bright because I'm right in front of my bedroom window. But I mainly wanted to come on here and tell you that little tip or trick about the powder under the foundation in case y'all want to try it. If you do try it, let me know what you think about it. That is really loud, guys. I'm so sorry. I hope you can hear me over that loud noise. Alright, what else am I... You know what? I am going to try... my daughter gave me a little brush. And I am going to try this. Someone also suggested instead of the tight line, the pencil inside the tight line, to maybe try brown right here. So I'm going to maybe try that. And I have tried it before, but to me it made me feel like I looked like I had dark circles. But I think it's because I didn't have a brush, and so I think it was too thick, and so it went down too far, so it did look like I had dark circles. And there's just a little bit. I don't know if you can tell a difference. That is something I need to get, is brown eyeliner for the summertime. I was reading in a Glamour magazine that brown is good to use in the summertime so it doesn't appear too heavy on your eyes, especially like if you go to the beach or the park or something. You don't want to look too heavy. Okay. Same CoverGirl color that I used the other day. I think it's called Sweetheart. Until I get brave enough to try reds and stuff. I'm just gonna stick with my usual for now. Get the brush that my daughter gave me. She bought a bunch of brushes too, and she didn't realize she already had this, so she gave me her the new one that came with her new set. show. Well, on camera it doesn't, but I can see it in person. And I am going to put a little blush on today. Maybelline. And I don't know what color it is because I can't see. Okay.